Hey guys, Retro Badger here, hope you're all good. Today we're going to check out a brand new ship for Bridge Commander Remastered. A big thank you to MSR1701 for allowing me to look at an early version of this ship. Now if you've played Klingon Academy, you may recognise this ship. Florellik has created a version of the F-15 QuD, the Insurrection. To start with, the textures are superb, such high quality. This ship is equipped with some pretty exotic weaponry. It's got 2 heavy disruptors, 2 super heavy disruptors, it's got 1 frequency modulated particle accelerator, and it also has 2 heavy photon torpedo launchers. As a first test, we're going to go up against the Koerner version of the USS Enterprise. Here we go. So this ship is equipped with some pretty impressive weaponry. Look at that, we got a pink torpedo. It's equipped with heavy photons. Look at that. The weaponry is superb. I absolutely love the effects on this. Okay, so the Enterprise is firing back. Oh, look at that. Devastating. Okay, let's try going against it and see how it fares. Okay, here we go. So, I really like this version of the Enterprise, actually. It just looks right. I think going against this ship, distance is going to be our friend. I want to damage the front of the Klingon ship as much as possible, as that's where all their weaponry is located, but it's finding the fine line between distance and accuracy. See, our torpedoes are missing. That's a problem. We do have a big volley at the front, though. Look at that. Okay, that's good. We've lost our starboard shield and a ton of phasers. Great. Yeah, I get the feeling oh no! I've lost a nacelle! I get the feeling the Klingon ship is a wee bit more powerful than us. I have my 10 torpedoes. Oh, wait, that's 8. Ooh! Critical. There's part of a Klingon ship. We've taken the head off the bird of prey. Oh dear. That's going to make him mad. We've just got torpedoes left. That's it. We must have done some damage though, surely. Oh boy. Okay. If I play this right, we can get them. Okay, I think we've destroyed their forward torpedo. Oh, phasers! Good job, Scotty! Yeah!
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Of course, this is the JJ version of Scotty. This is one of the concepts for the JJ Enterprise. So we have Simon Pegg as the engineer. Oh yes! There we go.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. That's it. We got him.
Wow, that was a battle and a half. Now here's the thing. Is it possible to still go to warp with 1 warp nacelle? I think it is, but just at a greatly reduced speed. Either that or it's just going to fly around in circles. Well, that was an interesting first outing for the QuD. I have a feeling we're going to be encountering a certain Sulu next time. If there's any ships you'd like me to put it up against, please comment below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.